This 2024 Winnebago Access 28FK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, skylight, spare tire kit, refrigerator, stovetop burner, awning, microwave, smoke detector, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Access 28FK is 6,790 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.